Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Helm repos using OCI authentication, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate with Helm repositories using OCI authentication, start by ensuring that you have Helm installed on your machine. Open your terminal or command prompt. Check your Helm version by running the command Helm version. Make sure you have at least version 3.7.0, as OCI support is included from this version onward. Next, log in to your container registry using the command helm registry login registry URL. Replace registry URL with the actual URL of the OCI compliant registry you wish to authenticate against. You will be prompted to enter your username and password. After successfully logging in, you can now pull charts from the OCI repository. Use the command helm chart pull registry URL / chart name chart version. Replace chart name and chart version with the respective chart and version you want to use. Once the chart is pulled, you can then save it to your local file system using the command helm chart save registry URL / chart name chart version. Make sure to replace local directory with the path where you want to store the chart. To install the chart, use the command helm install release name local directory / chart name. Replace release name with a name you choose for the release. Verify the installation by checking the status of your release with Helm status release name. This completes the quick tutorial on authenticating with Helm repositories using OCI authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.